We have, as a business, used several other computer repair centres and been disappointed again and again by the poor service, the fact that they haven't been able to deliver the computers back to the business when they said. PC Solutions have told us when the equipment will be ready. They have texted us to tell us that it's on the bench, and they text us to say that it is now ready for pick up, and they've always basically they've stuck with their quotes, so 100% happy with all the service. And you get good advice, best advice, getting that personal touch, that personal attention. Much appreciated.